Welcome to our YouTube channel. Are you looking for a delicious dessert that's perfect for summer? Look no further than our triple chocolate no-bake cheesecake. This decadent dessert is sure to satisfy your sweet tooth without heating up your kitchen. With a creamy chocolate cheesecake filling and a rich chocolate ganache topping, this dessert is a chocolate lover's dream. To start, line an 8-inch springform pan with parchment paper. To make the crust, put the butter cookies in a food processor until it turns into fine crumbs. Add the melted butter and stir with a rubber spatula till completely incorporated. Evenly spread the cookie crumbs into the springform pan and press the cookie crumbs into the bottom. Refrigerate the pan for 20 minutes. Now it's time to make the filling. Melt the white chocolate and add it to a medium bowl. Then add the cream cheese. Beat the mixture with an electric mixer at medium speed till it is smooth. Add the vanilla extract and mix. Grab a separate small bowl and add the heavy cream. Whip it to medium peaks. Divide the whipped cream into 2 parts and gradually fold the first part into the white chocolate mixture. Pour the mixture into the springform pan and spread it out evenly. Fill the mold until there are no gaps or pockets of air left. Level the top evenly and cover with cling film. Refrigerate for 10 minutes. We continue with the dark chocolate filling. Add the melted chocolate to a bowl. Then add the cream cheese. Beat on medium speed until smooth. Fold the second part of the whipped cream into the dark chocolate mixture. Mix gently until the whipped cream is fully incorporated. Pour the dark chocolate mixture into the springform pan and spread it out evenly. Fill the mold until there are no gaps or pockets of air left. Level the top evenly with a rubber spatula. Keep it in the fridge while you make the last layer. For the ganache, warm heavy cream. Then add milk chocolate, stop heating, and stir. Stir until the chocolate dissolves. Let the ganache cool for a few minutes and pour it on top of the cheesecake. Spread the ganache evenly. Refrigerate for 6 hours or overnight. After the time has passed, unmold the cheesecake and decorate it with the desired topping. Serve and enjoy. Thank you for watching and joining me in making this delicious triple chocolate no-bake cheesecake. I hope you enjoyed the recipe and found it easy to follow. This cheesecake is perfect for any summer gathering or just as a sweet treat to enjoy on a hot day. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Until next time.